Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about Bitcoin, my price prediction and chart analysis for Bitcoin for the month of October. I'm making this video for you because I do think that Bitcoin has a decent probability of crashing back down like this. Okay, so we are on Bitcoin's chart, and as you can see right now, Bitcoin is making a chart pattern that looks like a descending wedge. So what usually happens with this chart pattern is that Bitcoin has a decent probability of going down like this to revisit 31K. Why is that? Because if you look at the indicators, it's bearish. You notice how the price is going up, but the RSI is going down. This is a bearish divergence, and that's why we have to be careful. And that's why I have made a video about Bitcoin last week, 7 days ago, that right now, right here, I made the video right here, that it's a good time to tether out. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just talking about what I'm doing. And I have tethered out 100%. And the reason being because you don't want Bitcoin to do a nasty drop. Say Bitcoin drops again to 29K, which is 30K, which is a 30% drop. So when Bitcoin drops 30%, that's when altcoins drop another 60%, if it could do that. And that's pretty gross. So let's talk about what happened here. So we see with China, there's the China FUD, which caused Bitcoin to drop 16%. And of course, when Bitcoin drops 16%, altcoins drop around 30%. So here's a news. Here's a news article that just came out. It says China cracks down harder on cryptocurrency with new ban. Of course, China is always banning crypto. And then there's another FUD with a China Evergrande, which is development, property development company, and that they might default. And it's like another Lehman Brothers crisis, but happening in China, which might cascade throughout the world. And of course, there's many whales in China, crypto whales. So they might, because of this FUD, they might cash out their crypto into Tether, into cash. So we have to be careful. There's the China FUD, China cracking down on crypto FUD, and the Evergrande FUD. So what's happening? The indicators is bearish. So if you know how to read indicators, you can see that if we go on the weekly chart right here, you see how when Bitcoin right here, when Bitcoin, when the MACD had a crossover, when the blue went beneath the red line, it's a crossover right at this point, April the 19th. So April the 19th, you see how there was a dip and then there was a huge crash back in May. So there was a huge 50% crash. Now look at here again. Look here again how it looks like it almost wants to cross over. It almost wants to cross over. But if you look at a daily chart, there was a crossover right here. How there was a triple crossover. So when the MACD crosses above, it's above the zero axis. Right here. So when it usually crosses over, it's bearish, and there's the RSI divergence is bearish. So we have to be careful with this price range right here. This price range is where we want to sit tight and be patient. The good thing about crypto is that you don't have to do anything. You can take a break from crypto. You can watch the chart once a week, and you just wait for the market what it wants to do. And of course, we try not to predict the market because it's extremely hard to predict, and the market and the whales want to do whatever they want. But rather, we want to react and plan one step ahead, because if Bitcoin, like I've said in the previous video, if Bitcoin goes up like this and tests 52K, and it looks bullish, then we can buy back into altcoins. It's no big deal. But we don't want to suffer 30% or 50% crash if Bitcoin goes down to 31K. So what's the game plan? The game plan is to sit tight and wait out to see what happens for October. Because if Bitcoin wants to do this, it wants to range and pop up, then we can see that it's a bullish confirmation and we can buy back in. But if Bitcoin goes down and does a nasty dip, dump back down to 31K, then we can either short the market or we wait patiently and buy back into alts at 30 when Bitcoin's at 29K. If Bitcoin does something like this, and we can play the short-term game. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you have found this video informative. I do hope that you have found how to you have learned something about reading the charts and learning about RSI and MACD. I know that I have went very little over RSI and MACD because there's like a million videos on indicators on YouTube. So I don't want to repeat myself, but generally speaking, the RSI and the MACD is a good indicator. They are good indicators if you look at the daily and the weekly. It's less noise. Anyways, friend, I do hope that if you have found this video informative and educational, then you definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group, where I'll help you become a smart trader and investor. So when you join the group, you get a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that can go 10x, and get access to my trading course. So you learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. There's 86 of us. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's pretty fun. To click on the video description, and then you see my Telegram ID right here. Just click on this to chat with me on Telegram. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you stay safe. And when there's good news about Bitcoin, I will make good news. I will make new videos on what price I think Bitcoin is a good area to accumulate. And of course, it is at 29K, and that's 30K. That's our short-term accumulation zone. If 29K, 30K holds up, and hopefully Bitcoin doesn't crash through. Anyways, friend, if you have any coins that you want me to do technical analysis on, previously people have asked me to do MoBox, and I have done MoBox. And if there's any coins that's on TradingView and you want me to do a chart analysis on and a price prediction, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will try my best to make a video on it. Thank you.